Happy morning, sir. I am Syed Javed Akmal Hussain, Civil Engineer, Secondary College Company Limited, Ramagundam. My osteoarthritis started somewhere 15 years back. I was taking the other medicines, chondroitin sulfate, etc., and other Ayurvedic and Unani medicine for 15 years. My osteoarthritis has increased but not improved by all these other medicines. It has decreased to grade 1 to grade 4. Finally, I was referred to our favorite doctor S.R.K Dikshit sir. So I approached him last 5 months back. I was counseled and I was informed about the surgery process and what are the other formalities. Then I was done my total knee replacement surgery in September 22. And before the surgery, one thing now I wish to clear it. Before the surgery, I was not able to walk 50 steps and stand for 10 minutes. So after walking 50 steps, I used to get profoundly sweat, and I used to become very nervous and very weak. Then I was not able to stand for even for 10 minutes also. So then our doctor sahab advised me to go for TKR. Then I was operated in September 2022 and improved a lot under the guidance of our favorable doctor S.R.K Dikshit sir. I am happy to tell that my doctor respond me positively at any time on my WhatsApp message if I have got any problem or if I need any improvement or if I need any correction or whatever suggestion, whatever I need. I used to do WhatsApp message to my doctor. So he used to respond me at all times immediately for my message. I am very thankful to him. I am very happy with him, and my surgery was done and was very effectively done. I have recovered a lot. Now I am able to walk freely on my legs, and now I am able to drive my semi-automatic car thanks to the doctor and thanks to the Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. So I once again thank very much for the love and affection given to me during surgery, and as I was there for 4 days, they have looked after me nicely, and they have done very they have shown very love and affection, and they have treated me very nicely, very humbly. After discharge also, Dr. Sahab will inquire me also what is the development, what about the physiotherapy. I have come to him 3 or 4 visits. He will regularly check me and see my well-being and the status of my knees, how they are improved. So I am very much thankful to my doctor S.R.K Dikshit sahab, and also finally to our hospital Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. It was a very excellent surgery, and I am very happy that I am able to stand on my legs, and now I can walk 100 steps without any problem. And now daily I am doing that. Whenever situation arises, I am walking 100 to 200 steps without any difficulty. I thank on this occasion to Dr. Sahab and his team, and also Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad, for helping me to fight over my life, which was miserable to me before my surgery. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Hussaini ji. Mr. Hussaini, sir was suffering from very bad arthritis of the both knees. He had his knee was completely bent on the both sides. He was unable to do his day-to-day activities. He was unable to walk properly. He was unable to climb stairs. His regular activities at home was very difficult. So after he met me in the OPD 5 months back, we have decided to proceed with both knee replacements at the same time. We have done bilateral knee replacement, that is knee replacements for the both legs at the same time in a single sitting, and he has recovered well. He has done his physiotherapy fantastically. Now he is able to do all his activities comfortably. He is able to walk properly, climb the stairs, go to his office. He can even drive comfortably. So he has come back to his normal life within 3 to 4 months.